How to create a QR code for a Google form. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can create a QR code for a Google form. So let's just get started with the video. So if you want to create a Google form for your QR code for your Google form, you can head over to your Google form, whichever. For example, I have chosen this one. So you just need to head over to Google Forms, and then after everything is set up for your Google form, in order to create a QR code, you can just go ahead and look up for the option called link, this one right here, and click on this shortened URL for a more easy process. After that, go ahead and copy the link. And one of the most easiest way in order to create a QR code is heading over to Canva. So you can go to canva.com and log in and click on this create a design. And from this section, you can go to this custom size and you can make the width and the height 1080. So do that in order to create a square form, exactly shaped for your QR code. After that, you'll be getting this square box. So after you get it in this left side of the screen, you can scroll down and head over to the app section. Locate that option, apps. And once you open the apps, you need to go to the search Canva app section and type in QR. So you can just go ahead and type in that QR code and it will give you a bunch of options. For now, I'm using this one right here. You can also use this if you want. Open it up, and when you do that, you just need to go ahead and enter up the URL that we copied earlier. So just go ahead and paste it right here. After that, you may customize as well, and just go ahead and click on generate code, and a code will be created for your Google Forms. So you can adjust it out, you can stretch it out and make it bigger as the one that you created. After that is done, all you need to do is go ahead and download it up, and you can use this QR code wherever you want. So you can just go ahead and scan up this QR code using a scanner, and that should lead you to the Google form that you are trying to create. So that is it. You can do that. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.